Have you ever wondered how to make money online from blogging? It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? The digital age has given birth to countless opportunities, and blogging is one of them. It's more than just a platform to share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise. It's a potential goldmine, a way to turn your passion into profit, and from the comfort of your own home no less. Imagine a life where you wake up each day excited to write about what you love, knowing that each word typed, each blog post published could be another step towards financial freedom. It's a dream many aspire to, yet few realize it's within their grasp. But how does one navigate this digital landscape? How do you transform a hobby into a revenue stream? This is where we come in. In the next few minutes, you will learn the step-by-step process of how to turn your blog into an income source. Scene script. Firstly, let's understand what blogging is and its potential. Blogging, in its simplest form, is sharing your thoughts, experiences, knowledge, or passions with the world through an online platform. It's like having your own virtual space where you can talk about anything that interests you, from cooking recipes to tech reviews, travel adventures, to personal finance tips. But blogging is not just about sharing. It's also about connecting with others who share the same interests as you. It's about building a community of like-minded people who appreciate and value what you bring to the table. It's about starting conversations, sparking debates, and inspiring others with your unique perspective. Over the years, blogging has evolved significantly. In the early days, blogs were mostly personal online diaries, but today, they have transformed into powerful platforms that can influence public opinion, shape consumer behavior, and even sway political decisions. And here's the exciting part. With these transformations, blogging has also become a viable source of income. Successful bloggers around the world are making a living, and in some cases a fortune, from their blogs. They're earning money while doing something they love and are passionate about. There are different forms of blogging, each with its own potential. Personal blogging is where you share personal experiences or thoughts, while business blogging is used by businesses to engage with their customers and promote their products or services. Then there's niche blogging, where you focus on a specific topic or industry, and affiliate blogging, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales made through your blog. But no matter the form, the key to successful blogging lies in providing value to your readers. Whether it's entertaining them, educating them, inspiring them, or solving their problems, if you can provide value, you can build an audience. And once you have an audience, the potential to earn income from your blog increases exponentially. Now that you have a basic understanding of blogging, let's dive into how you can make money from it. Your first step to earning money from blogging is setting up your blog. Now this might sound daunting, but don't worry. We're going to break it down into manageable steps. First off, you need to choose a niche for your blog. This is essentially the topic or subject that your blog will focus on. Whether it's fashion, travel, cooking, or technology, your niche should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will not only make your blogging journey more enjoyable, but also help you establish credibility with your readers. Once you have your niche, the next step is creating and buying a domain name. Think of your domain name as your blog's address on the internet. It should be catchy, easy to remember, and ideally, it should reflect your blog's niche. There are several platforms where you can buy a domain name such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. After purchasing your domain name, you need to set up a hosting account. A hosting service is what allows your blog to be accessible on the internet. There are many hosting services to choose from, including Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. When choosing a host, consider factors like price, customer service, and the ease of use. Now let's talk about the design of your blog. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Your blog's design should be professional and user-friendly. It should reflect your personal style but also be easy for visitors to navigate. Remember, first impressions count, and a well-designed blog can make a world of difference in attracting and retaining readers. Last but not least, make sure your blog is mobile-friendly. With more and more people accessing the internet on their smartphones, a mobile-friendly design is a must. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basic knowledge to set up your own blog. It might seem like a lot to take in, but remember, every successful blogger started from scratch. With your blog set up, you're ready to start creating content and attracting readers. So, let's move on to the next step: creating captivating content for your blog. Content is the backbone of any successful blog. It's the heart and soul, the meat and potatoes, well, you get the idea. Without content, your blog is just an empty shell, a vessel without cargo. So, let's talk about creating content that not only resonates with your audience but also drives traffic to your blog. Firstly, your content needs to be high quality. What does that mean? It means it's well-researched and well-written. It's engaging and informative. It's not enough to just write about a topic. You need to offer your readers something of value. Maybe it's a unique perspective, perhaps it's in-depth analysis, or it could even be a fresh take on a popular topic. Whatever it is, make sure it's worth your readers' time. Next, your content needs to be consistent. Consistency in blogging is like regular exercise in fitness. You can't expect to see results if you're only working out once a month. The same applies to your blog. Regularly posting content keeps your blog fresh and relevant and gives your readers a reason to keep coming back. Now let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. If high-quality content is the heart of your blog, then SEO is the blood that keeps it pumping. SEO is what makes your blog visible to search engines and, more importantly, to your potential readers. It's all about using the right keywords, in the right places, at the right times. Keyword research is a crucial part of SEO. It's about understanding what people are searching for online and then using those search terms in your content. The goal is to make your blog the answer to their questions. It's like a game of hide and seek, where you're trying to make yourself as easy to find as possible. In the end, it's a balancing act. You need to create content that's engaging and valuable, but also optimized for search engines. It's not always easy, but when you get it right, the rewards can be substantial. Great content attracts readers, but how do you turn these readers into revenue? Well, that's a topic for our next scene. Stay tuned. Now comes the most exciting part, monetizing your blog. So, you've set up your blog, created amazing content, and now you're wondering, how do I actually make money from this? Well, there are several ways. Let's break them down. First up is ad revenue. This is perhaps the most straightforward method. Websites like Google AdSense allow you to place ads on your blog, and you earn money each time an ad is clicked. However, the downside is you need a substantial amount of traffic to make a significant income from this method. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service on your blog and earning a commission for every purchase made through your referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can choose products that align with your blog's niche, creating a seamless integration. But remember, trust is key here. Only recommend products you genuinely believe in. Then there's sponsored posts. Companies pay you to write a post about their product or service. It's a great way to earn money, especially if you have a sizable following. However, it's crucial to disclose these posts are sponsored, as transparency is important to maintain trust with your audience. Finally, you can sell your own products or services. This could be anything from an ebook, online course, or consultancy services. This method gives you complete control over your income. However, it requires a lot of time and effort to create and market your products or services. Each of these methods has its pros and cons, and what works best will depend on your blog's niche, your audience, and your personal preferences. You may even find that a combination of these strategies works best for you. Remember, monetizing your blog isn't an overnight process. It requires time, patience, and a lot of trial and error. But with perseverance and the right strategy, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. With these monetization strategies in mind, you're well on your way to making money from your blog. Blogging can be a rewarding way to share your passion and earn money. As we've journeyed through this video together, we've unpacked the essentials of blogging, from understanding its intricacies to setting up your own blog. We've delved into the art of creating engaging content that not only resonates with your audience but also mirrors your unique voice and passion. We've also explored the different ways to monetize your blog, turning your passion into a potential income stream. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling your own products or services, the opportunities are as vast as your imagination. So why not start your blogging journey today? Embrace the challenge and the joy of sharing your thoughts, ideas, and passions with the world. And remember, the potential income you can generate from your blog is a testament to the value that you bring to your readers. Remember, success in blogging doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and quality content, your blog can become a significant source of income.